Hello everyone, and welcome to this new video tutorial for Maverick Render. This time we will work on an example that makes use of our new Multiclone modifier. We will take this sci-fi monitor which you can download from Sketchfab. We would like to give a shout out to its author and also provide a link to the model in the description box below. We imported the model in Maverick and made some changes in the materials to give a more aseptic and minimalistic feel to it. When you're assigned the task to present a single model, it is sometimes hard to create an appealing photographic setup. Multiclone comes to aid, being a very powerful tool to create attractive model arrangements with just a few clicks. Let's create a multiclone modifier. Then let's drop the new modifier on the objects group to automatically get a default array. Let's remove instances along the Z-axis. Let's also disable the stack option so we can configure separation distances freely. We will make the monitors keep some distance from each other. Now we will increase the multiclone counts to fill up the frame. Now we will enable the zipper feature to break repetition monotony. And then we will shift every other row. Rotating the shifted rows will easily produce an attractive setup. We can turn them 90 degrees on either direction. Let's now enable camera depth of field, and here's our dynamic looking photo real product shot. As a reminder, Ctrl-Shift left click will allow you to set where the camera is focused at. Let's keep on trying some more options. Let's rotate the object's frame of reference. When we do this, the source object stays still, because it doesn't really belong to the array of clones. Toggling the overlap option will sort this out, after which we may want to hide the source object itself. You can now have some fun trying different rotations and enjoying Maverick's instantaneous quality. This is all for now. See you in the next video. Have fun rendering with Maverick.